If you're experiencing issues with Photoshop, resetting the preferences can often help. To reset Photoshop. First, open the application. Just before it boots up, press and hold the following 3 keys on your keyboard simultaneously. Alt plus Control plus Shift if you are using Windows. Option plus Command plus Shift if you are using Mac OS. A prompt will appear asking if you want to delete the current settings. Confirm by clicking Yes. Note: a new preferences file will be created automatically when Photoshop launches. Alternatively, if you're already in Photoshop, you can reset the preferences from within the application. With Photoshop open, navigate to Edit, then Preferences, then General. Then click on Reset Preferences on Quit. To apply the changes, simply restart Photoshop. Note: a new preferences file will be created automatically when Photoshop restarts. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get Photoshop running smoothly again. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.